Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an outdoor activity you did. You should say what the activity was, when and where you did it, who you did it with, and explain why you enjoyed it. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So one thing that you need to lay stress on for this question is that it is asking you for an activity that you did. That means something that you already did. Everything that you speak needs to be in the past tense, okay? So don't talk in the present tense or future tense. Students usually make mistakes in this, and if they are doing so, they are losing marks on their grammatical range and accuracy portion. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So you can talk about lots of outdoor activities, maybe camping, maybe hiking, maybe you went for something like boating, or maybe simple activities like maybe you were playing badminton or cricket or throw ball with your friends. So you can just elaborate on that. Also, the follow-ups for this cue card will be uploaded very soon. So make sure you check that out. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am an adventurous person and like trying new and daring activities, and today I would like to talk about the Niagara boat ride, which was fun and exciting. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that a couple of years back, my parents and my nephew came to visit me in Toronto, and we decided to visit the spectacular and world famous Niagara Falls. So, spectacular means beautiful, so we have used a better vocabulary word here. Moreover, we all wanted to get a closer look of the majestic falls, so we went onto the Niagara boat ride to enjoy the magnificent views of the waterfall. So majestic means huge or big, massive. Magnificent means beautiful. So again, we are using lot of synonyms and not repeating the word beautiful. So all these will also enhance our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Additionally, we were given disposable plastic ponchos to keep ourselves relatively dry during the tour, which lasted for about 25 minutes. So disposable means something that you can use and throw it. It's meant for one time use. Ponchos are like raincoats, but they are made up of a very thin plastic material, okay? Furthermore, we experienced the majority of the mist when we were closest to the falls and switched positions from the upper deck to the lower one as we did not want to get drenched. So switched here means to change positions. Upper deck means the upper level of the boat and drenched means wet. It was quite a thrilling yet informative ride as there was a spokesperson on the boat who was sharing the historic details and key features of the falls with all the passengers aboard. So thrilling means exciting. Spokesperson means speaker and aboard means all those people who were on the boat at that time. Alright, so we have answered the first 3 questions. The last question, which is explain why you enjoyed it, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, the activity was enjoyable and we were on cloud 9 as none of us had experienced this before. And it also provided us an opportunity to bond well with one another and spend quality of time while at the same time rejuvenating, refreshing, and de stressing ourselves. So on cloud nine means to be extremely happy or joyous. So it's an idiom, and using idiomatic phrases actually increases our band scores for a lexical resources part as well. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.